in 3 paragraph
Oy,
and 5 sentences each
English
paragraph.
ka?
Kuan. Unsay
Go English ka.
unsay nakalami diri sa Mount Talinis? Experience nimo.
Akong experience. Wow, surprised na ko sa viewpoint dili kay I thought before na it's just clouds naman pero wow.
Wow.
When you're on clouds, how you feel you are observing the canopy. I really feel kita are just visitors. This is the land of the clouds. Not observe kay your own. Paparazzi, oy! Candid!
Last paragraph. About the people.
Ah,
Yeah, the people.
ang mga tao.
Kayo.
Joke! Joke! Friendly kayo sa mga tao. I like our new friends here and
Friends ba ta?
Oo.
Friends ba ta?
Friends pa ta. So it's nice to make friends kay mas lami ang experience if shared with others. So proud of this climb. Sa akong cellphone recorded.
If you are to convert how many centimeters from your starting off to the
US?
to summit, how many centimeters?
Centimeter.
Yeah.
Sa Dapit sa Valencia?
Valencia. Okay, we'll wait. You can't, di ka uli kung di na natin.
Million.
30 million.
Random.
Push mo yan!
30 million and
Okay.
50.
And 50 millimeters.